Gain. Gain. Meaning: to acquire through effort or advantage. He's always looking for ways to make a financial gain. Since starting the medication, she has noticed an unwanted weight gain. Related words: profits, benefit, acquire, earn, gross. Gross. Meaning: total amount before expenses or deductions. The company was sued for gross negligence after a preventable accident. The employee was fired for gross misconduct towards their colleagues. Related words: disgusting, repulsive, obscene, vulgar, nauseating. Income. Income. Meaning: money earned. His gross income for the year was $75,000. Her net income after taxes and deductions was $50,000. Related words: salary, wages, earnings, revenue, profits. Installment. Installment. Meaning: a part of a debt to be paid at regular intervals. She pays her mortgage in monthly installments. The latest installment of the book series will be released next week. Related words: loan, credit, finance, repayment, payment. Investment. Investment. Meaning: the action or process of investing money for profit. He made a long-term investment in the company's stocks. The country is attracting foreign investment to improve its infrastructure. Related words: stock, bond, portfolio, mutual fund, real estate. Loan. Loan. Meaning: a sum of money borrowed and expected to be paid back with interest. I need to take out a loan to buy a car. I applied for a personal loan to cover my medical expenses. Related words: mortgage, debtor, collateral, borrow, interest. Maintenance. Maintenance. Meaning: the process of preserving or maintaining something. The car requires routine maintenance every 5,000 miles. Regular oil changes are an example of preventive maintenance for a car. Related words: repair, servicing, care, upkeep, inspection. Overspending. Overspending. Meaning: spending more than available. She got into financial trouble due to her overspending. His habitual overspending led to mounting credit card debt. Related words: reckless spending, splurging, extravagance, profligacy, squandering. Paycheck. Wages. Paycheck. Wages. Meaning: money received for work done. I'm really happy with my new job. I get a good monthly paycheck. I work part-time and receive my weekly wages every Friday. Related words: salary, income, compensation, remuneration. Earning. Payment. Payment. Meaning. Act of paying. Please choose your preferred payment method. We offer a flexible payment plan for our customers. Related words. Fee. Remittance. Deposit. Transaction. Invoice. Payment plan. Payment plan. Meaning. An arrangement to pay a debt in scheduled installments. I enrolled in a monthly payment plan for my car loan. The furniture store offers an installment payment plan for customers. Related words. Deferred payment. Layaway. Down payment. Installment. Repayment. Percentage. Percentage. Meaning. A portion expressed as a fraction of 100. A high percentage of students attend university. Only a low percentage of the population has access to clean water. Related words. Rate. Proportion. Fraction. Ratio. Share. Perk. Perk. Meaning. Benefit or advantage. Employees often enjoy various perks such as free meals and gym memberships. She seemed down, but her mood perked up when her favorite song started playing. Related words. Benefit. Privilege. Bonus. Incentive. Amenity. Perquisite. Perquisite. Meaning. A special privilege or benefit in addition to regular income. In addition to his salary, the CEO received various additional perquisites such as a company car and a luxurious office. Employees at the high executive levels often enjoy generous perquisites like fully paid vacations and membership to exclusive clubs. Related words. Benefit. Privilege. Amenity. Bonus. Entitlement. Premium. Premium. Meaning. A sum added to an ordinary price. The restaurant charges a premium price for its signature dish. The fashion designer's collection is a premium brand in the industry. Related words. Elite. Deluxe. Top-notch. High-end. Luxury. Profit. Profit. Meaning. Financial gain or benefit. The company needs to make a profit in order to grow. The company has a high profit margin on their latest product. Related words. Earnings. Gain. Margin. Revenue. Income. Progress. Progress. Meaning. Movement toward a goal or improvement. She worked hard and made great progress in her career. The project has been making steady progress over the past few weeks. Related words. Improvement. Growth. Advancement. Innovation. Development. Purse. Purse. Meaning. Small bag for carrying money. She dropped her coin purse and scattered the coins all over the floor. She carried a beautiful clutch purse to the party. Related words. wallet, bag, clutch, satchel, pouch. Which of the following word means a sum added to an ordinary price? The answer is D. Premium. What is the meaning of the word profit? The answer is A. Financial gain or benefit. What is the meaning of the word gross? The answer is D. Total amount before expenses or deductions. Which of the following word means benefit or advantage? The answer is D. Perk. What is the meaning of the word income? The answer is D. Money earned. What is the meaning of the word progress? The answer is D. Movement toward a goal or improvement. What is the meaning of the word gain? The answer is D. To acquire through effort or advantage. Which of the following word means total amount before expenses or deductions? The answer is D. Gross. What is the meaning of the word payment? The answer is B. Active paying. Which of the following word means small bag for carrying money? The answer is C. Purse. What is the meaning of the word perquisite? The answer is D. A special privilege or benefit in addition to regular income. Which of the following word means to acquire through effort or advantage? The answer is D. Gain. Which of the following word means financial gain or benefit? The answer is B. Profit. What is the meaning of the word paycheck, wages? The answer is C. Money received for work done. Which of the following word means movement toward a goal or improvement? The answer is B. Progress. What is the meaning of the word purse? The answer is D. Small bag for carrying money. Which of the following word means the action or process of investing money for profit? The answer is B. Investment. Which of the following word means a part of a debt to be paid at regular intervals? The answer is C. Installment. What is the meaning of the word premium? The answer is D. A sum added to an ordinary price. Which of the following word means a portion expressed as a fraction of 100? The answer is D. Percentage. Which of the following word means a special privilege or benefit in addition to regular income? The answer is B. Perquisite. What is the meaning of the word percentage? The answer is A. A portion expressed as a fraction of 100. What is the meaning of the word loan? The answer is C. A sum of money borrowed and expected to be paid back with interest. Which of the following word means an arrangement to pay a debt in scheduled installments? The answer is A. Payment plan. Which of the following word means money earned? The answer is B. Income. What is the meaning of the word perk? The answer is C. Benefit or advantage. Which of the following word means a sum of money borrowed and expected to be paid back with interest? The answer is B. Loan. Which of the following word means money received for work done? The answer is C. Paycheck, wages. What is the meaning of the word investment? The answer is B. The action or process of investing money for profit. Which of the following word means spending more than available? The answer is D. Overspending. What is the meaning of the word maintenance? The answer is D. The process of preserving or maintaining something. Which of the following word means the process of preserving or maintaining something? The answer is B. Maintenance. Which of the following word means active paying? The answer is C. Payment. What is the meaning of the word installment? The answer is C. A part of a debt to be paid at regular intervals. What is the meaning of the word payment plan? The answer is C. An arrangement to pay a debt in scheduled installments. What is the meaning of the word overspending? The answer is A. Spending more than available.